In this video, we're going to learn how to use the expression てみる in Japanese. When we use the て form plus 見る, the literal meaning is I do the action and see the result. In textbooks, it's often translated as try doing something. For example, Shiro says you should try this cake, and you want to say, I'll try it and see what it's like. Since you're going to eat and see what it's like, you use the て form of 食べる and say 食べてみる. 食べてみる. Let's say Shiro recommends a park, and you want to say, I'll go see it, or I'll check it out. In this case, you're going to go and see what it's like. So you use the て form of 行く and say 行ってみる. 行ってみる. Shiro recommends a book, and you want to say I'll read it and see what it's like, or I will check it out. You're going to read it and see what it's like. So you would say 読んでみる. 読んでみる. If you want to say it politely, you just change 見る to 見ます. 読んでみます. Let's look at another example. Shiro bought a kimono and says 買ってみました. This means I bought it to see what it's like in formal speech, and it also suggests she wasn't sure how it would turn out, whether she'd like it or whether it would look good on her. But she bought it to give it a try and find out. If she simply says 買いました, then it's just a plain fact, I bought it, with no extra nuance. Here's another example. Shiro says, 初めてケーキを作ってみました. I made a cake for the first time to see how it would turn out. So again, the nuance is that she wasn't sure how it would turn out, but she went ahead and made it to find out. Let's say this sentence one more time. 初めてケーキを作ってみました. Let's say you're waiting for someone, but they're not showing up. So your friend tells you to give up and go home, but you decide, I'll wait a little longer and see what happens. In this case, you would say, もう少し待ってみます. Let's say it one more time. もう少し待ってみます. We also often use てみる to say I want to try something. For example, in formal speech, you could say いろいろな料理を食べてみたいです. This means I want to try various cuisines to see what they're like. Notice that in English, we don't say eat in the translation, but in Japanese, you say 食べてみたいです because you want to eat and see what it's like. Let's say this sentence one more time. いろいろな料理を食べてみたいです. How about please try this kimono and see how it looks? In formal Japanese, that would be この着物を着てみてください. Let's say it one more time. この着物を着てみてください. Shiro says, 広告が良かったのでダウンロードしてみました. The advertisement was good, so I downloaded it to see what it's like. Let's say it one more time. 広告が良かったのでダウンロードしてみました. Here's a quick conjugation chart for casual and formal speech. Please feel free to pause and use it as reference. Let's take a look at natural conversation examples. 昨日ケーキを作ってみました。食べてみてください。手作りケーキ食べてみたかったんです。明日はマカロンを作ってみますね。